Gentlemen over 60, I have something important to share that most doctors won't say outright. Right now, your sperm count could be at one of its lowest points ever. It's not just a little lower than when you were younger, it could be dangerously low. Along with this, your testosterone energy, drive, and overall sense of vitality might be slipping away quietly and without warning. But here's the good news. This doesn't have to be permanent. You're not broken, and what I'm about to share with you could be a game changer. I'm Doc John, a men's health and fertility expert with over 30 years of experience. I've made it my mission to help men, particularly those in their 60s, 70s, and beyond, reclaim their reproductive health, confidence, and energy. And there's something most people don't realize. Fertility isn't just for younger men. Your body still holds the potential to produce healthy, strong sperm as long as you nourish it correctly. The key is in 5 specific foods that most men ignore or in some cases avoid altogether. These foods are scientifically proven to enhance sperm volume, motility, and hormone levels, while also supporting your heart, brain, muscles, and mood. Stick with me because in just a moment, I'll reveal all 5, and number 5 might be the most overlooked, but also the most powerful of them all. Before we dive in, if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time to hit that button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on valuable tips to help you stay strong, energized, and thriving well into your 60s and beyond. And if this message resonates with you, drop a 1 in the comments. If not, type 0, and let me know how I can better support your journey to better health. Let's get into the heart of the matter, starting with the very first food that can significantly improve sperm production, support testosterone levels, and restore vitality for men over 60. This food is simple, easy to find, and backed by science, yet many men overlook its incredible benefit. Let me explain why this food should be a staple in your diet from today onward. Food Den 1. Walnuts. Let's begin with a food that's often underestimated, but plays a critical role in revitalizing male fertility: walnuts. I'll admit, when I first started treating older men with fertility issues years ago, I never imagined something as simple as a walnut would repeatedly show up in research as a game changer. But time and time again it did, and the more we looked into it, the more we uncovered the hidden benefits of this humble nut. Walnuts are much more than just heart-healthy snacks. They're vital for your reproductive health. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, they enhance blood flow directly to the testes, giving your body the necessary support to produce sperm in both quantity and quality. But here's the real secret. Walnuts contain L-arginine, a compound that helps relax blood vessels and promotes natural testosterone production. For men in their 60s, that's pure gold. I've had patients in their 60s who started adding just a handful of walnuts to their daily routine, and 3 months later, their lab results showed significant improvement. They reported feeling a noticeable boost in energy, mood, and even sexual confidence. One patient told me he hadn't felt that level of vitality since his 40s. It was like a switch had flipped back on. And it doesn't stop there. Walnuts are also packed with powerful vitamin E and plant-based antioxidants, which work together to reduce inflammation in the reproductive system and support overall health. When it comes to the environment where your sperm are made, it's not just about producing more, it's about creating better sperm, stronger, faster, and more resilient sperm. You're not simply restoring function, you're reclaiming your pride and vitality. What really strikes me is how many men walk around thinking this part of life is behind them. They believe decline is just a natural part of aging. But I've seen, time and time again, that it's not about age, it's about nutrition. Your body still has the will to perform, you just need to give it the right tool. If something as simple as a handful of walnuts can help turn things around, imagine what happens when we pair that with the next food. A nutrient-packed powerhouse that not only builds stronger sperm, but also protects them from damage. And you probably have this one in your kitchen right now. Let's move on. Next, we're going to talk about a food so familiar, so ordinary that most men don't realize it holds the secret to healthier, more robust sperm. Growing up, I remember watching my father crack open 2 eggs every morning without fail. Back then, he didn't know the science behind it, but he was instinctively doing something right. Decades later, as a doctor, I can say with confidence that he was providing his body with one of the most complete fertility foods available. Eggs are tiny nutritional powerhouses. They're loaded with high-quality protein that's essential for sperm production, as well as a range of nutrients that help your reproductive system function at its best. But what makes eggs truly stand out is their abundance of vitamin E and choline. Vitamin E acts as a shield, protecting your sperm from oxidative stress, the kind of damage that can weaken their structure before they even get a chance to do their job. Choline, on the other hand, is one of the unsung heroes of male fertility. It plays a vital role in testosterone production and helps maintain the integrity of sperm membranes, making your sperm not just more plentiful, but stronger and more capable of reaching their goal. I've had patients in their late 60s who simply added 2 or 3 eggs to their daily breakfast, and within weeks they started noticing improvements, more energy, better focus, and in some cases, even stronger morning erections. It's not magic, it's nutrition that aligns with biology. Eggs don't just support your reproductive system though, they also fuel muscle recovery, strengthen bones, enhance brain function, and help regulate hormones. When men ask me how they can restore their vitality without medications or invasive treatments, I often smile and say, start with 2 eggs and a purpose. Now, if eggs are your armor and builder, the next food is your internal mechanic, repairing, refining, and optimizing the very DNA of your sperm. This nutrient is often overlooked, especially by men, but it holds one of the most powerful fertility boosters of all time. And chances are, if you're like most men over 60, you're probably not getting enough of it. Let's uncover what it is and why it could make all the difference in your future health. Let's talk about a group of foods that quietly pack the power to transform not just your sperm health, but the very quality of your DNA. Dark leafy greens, spinach, kale, and Swiss chard might not be the first foods you think of when you're over 60. I get it. These aren't the flashy foods that grab your attention, but trust me, they might just be the missing piece in your reproductive health. What makes leafy greens so essential is their rich content of folic acid, also known as vitamin. This nutrient is one of the most overlooked when it comes to men's health, yet it directly influences how your sperm are formed and how well their DNA holds up. I recall working with a patient named Thomas, a 67-year-old retired, and he came to me frustrated, low on energy, and convinced that his best years were behind him. His blood work revealed a borderline deficiency in folic acid. We decided to add 2 servings of dark leafy greens to his daily meals. Simple changes like sautéed spinach with dinner or blending kale into a morning smoothie. Within 2 months, his sperm analysis improved, his energy returned, and perhaps most importantly, his sense of purpose came back. He told me, "Doc, I feel like I'm showing up in my own life again." That's what folic acid does. It's not just about producing sperm, it's about producing sperm that carry your genetic blueprint without error. Studies have shown that low folic acid levels can increase the rate of chromosomal abnormalities in sperm by up to 20. That's not insignificant. Imagine 1 in 5 sperm carrying faulty instructions, a scenario no man wants to face, regardless of whether he plans to conceive or not. But the benefits of leafy greens go beyond just fertility. They support healthy red blood cell production, reduce inflammation, improve mental clarity, and stabilize your mood. These are the kinds of changes that creep up on you. It won't happen overnight, but after a few weeks, one morning you'll wake up and realize you're not dragging through the day, you're leading it. If folic acid is the quiet architect of your sperm, then the next food is the steel and foundation behind your hormonal strength. This food isn't found in the produce aisle, and chances are you've only had it on special occasions. But for men over 60, it may just be the most powerful natural trigger for testosterone and sperm production that nature has to offer. Let's talk about oysters. I still remember the first time I recommended oysters to one of my patients, a 64-year-old man, who was struggling with low energy, poor drive, and a general sense that his body was slowing down in ways he couldn't explain. When I told him oysters could help, he laughed. "You mean the appetizer?" he joked. I smiled and said, "Not just any food, it's one of nature's most concentrated sources of zinc, and your body is crying out for it." Zinc isn't just important, it's essential. Without enough zinc, your body can't produce adequate testosterone, and without testosterone, sperm production slows, erections weaken, and energy wanes. Just one oyster contains more zinc than your entire daily requirement. That means by eating a few oysters, You're giving your body the raw materials it needs to jumpstart hormonal processes that have been idling for years. But oysters don't stop at zinc. They're also rich in oysters are packed with selenium, copper, omega-3 fatty acids, iron and vitamin B12, all critical nutrients for sperm motility, prostate health and overall sexual function. It's no surprise that oysters have long been considered an aphrodisiac. Science now confirms what ancient cultures knew all along. These aren't just shellfish, they are powerful tools for male rejuvenation. I've had men tell me that just 2 servings a week made a noticeable difference. They felt it physically and emotionally. Confidence began to return, the spark in their relationship reignited, and that quiet inner knowing that they were still capable and strong slowly came back. And here's the best part, you don't need to eat oysters every day. Just 6 to 8 oysters, twice a week, can help restore the mineral balance your body needs. If oysters aren't your thing, don't worry, I have an alternative coming up next. Because there's one more food, a final game changer that many men overlook. It's small, easy to find, and can easily fit into your daily routine, yet it packs a punch far greater than its size. In fact, it might be the best kept secret for boosting testosterone and protecting sperm after 6. Let's take a look. Now let's talk about something so simple, so often overlooked, that most men pass by it without realizing the immense fertility power it holds: pumpkin seed. I'll be honest, when I first started exploring natural fertility boosters for older men, pumpkin seeds didn't catch my attention right away, but the science behind them is undeniable. These little seeds are a quiet powerhouse for testosterone support, sperm protection, and overall reproductive vitality. Pumpkin seeds may be small, but they're loaded with zinc, magnesium, and powerful antioxidants, exactly the nutrients your body needs as it ages. As we've already seen, zinc fuels testosterone and sperm development. Magnesium plays a key role in sperm motility and energy, and the antioxidants act as bodyguards for your sperm, shielding them from oxidative damage that naturally increases with age. I once worked with a 70-year-old patient who was skeptical about making changes to his routine, but he agreed to try adding just a quarter cup of raw pumpkin seeds to his diet every day. Nothing complicated. 3 months later, his sperm concentration had improved significantly, and so had his mood, sleep, and even blood pressure. He told me, "Doc, I didn't expect much, but I feel sharper, more like myself." What's even more remarkable is how easy it is to incorporate pumpkin seeds into your daily life. You don't have to cook them or prep them in any complicated way. Toss them into your oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or just snack on them in the middle of the day. They're low in sugar, high in impact, and perfect for a man who values his time and health. If you're not a fan of seafood or simply prefer a plant-based alternative to oysters, pumpkin seeds are your best friend. They deliver the essential minerals your body needs to maintain strength, balance hormones, and support vibrant sperm health without any fuss. Now that you've seen all 5 of these powerful foods, the question isn't whether they work. The science and success stories make that clear. The real question is, are you ready to put them to work for you? Because in just a moment I'm going to show you exactly how to bring these 5 superfoods together into one simple, effective daily routine. How just a few minutes a day can change the next chapter of your life. Now that you know the 5 most powerful foods for sperm production and fertility, the next step is to bring them together into one simple, sustainable daily habit. Over the years I've worked with countless men in their 60s. Many came in feeling defeated, frustrated by low energy, low testosterone, or a sense of distance from their partners. But what I've learned through all of this is this: the body responds when it gets the right support. When these 5 foods are used together, not as a temporary diet, but as a lifestyle, the results can be profound. You don't have to make dramatic changes overnight. This isn't about strict meal plans or complex routine. It's about adding these fertility-friendly foods into your daily life in a way that feels natural. Maybe it's 2 eggs in the morning with a side of sautéed spinach, a handful of walnuts mid-morning, or pumpkin seeds sprinkled over a salad or as an afternoon snack. Oysters once or twice a week with dinner. None of this is extreme. It's just consistent, thoughtful nourishment, and it works. I've seen men wake up with more energy, report sharper focus, stronger intimacy, and yes, improved lab results, all by committing to this simple shift. And it's not just physical. There's a deeper transformation that happens when you realize that you're in control again, that your age isn't the problem, it's your nutrition, and that's something you can change. When I first began treating fertility in older men, most people believed it was too late, but today we know better. Your body is capable of much more than you think, and your potential for vitality is far from gone. These 5 foods are more than just nutrients. They're messages to your body saying, it's time to perform, time to live fully again. But we're not done yet. Now that you know what to eat and why, the final piece is just ahead. In a moment I'll walk you through a simple daily routine, one that fits seamlessly into your life and combines everything we've discussed into a powerful, repeatable habit. If you've ever wondered what it really takes to feel like yourself again, clearer, stronger, and more alive, don't go anywhere. Let's finish this strong. You're not ready to accept that aging means decline. You still want to feel strong, connected, and full of purpose. And you should, because you absolutely can. What we've covered today isn't just theory, it's real practical science, combined with decades of experience helping men just like you reclaim their energy, rebuild their confidence, and reignite their health from the inside out. Let's quickly recap what your body is asking for. Walnuts to fuel blood flow and optimize sperm quality. Eggs to strengthen testosterone and shield your sperm from damage. Leafy greens to ensure your DNA is passed on clean and intact. Oysters to flood your system with the zinc and minerals that keep your hormones strong. Pumpkin seeds, small but mighty, to support sperm protection and overall reproductive vitality. A quiet powerhouse that helps keep your sperm moving, your mind sharp, and your system balanced. That's what these foods are. Each of them holds value on its own, but together they create a foundation for male vitality that's hard to beat. Over the years I've seen men transform not only in their lab results or physical strength, but in how they carry themselves, how they reconnect with their partners, and how they show up in life. That's the true power of making better choices, of feeding your body with purpose instead of habit. It's not about perfection, it's about showing up for yourself every day. So if you're wondering what to do next, start simple. Begin tomorrow with 2 eggs and a side of leafy greens. Add a handful of walnuts. Keep a small bag of pumpkin seeds in your car. Schedule oysters once or twice a week. Build a rhythm and let your body remember what it's capable of. And always remember, you're not too old. It's not too late. The best years of your life don't have to be behind you. They can still be ahead of you if you choose them. I've seen it happen. You can feel stronger, think clearer, and love deeper. You just need to give your body what it's been quietly asking for all along. So here's my challenge to you. Take what you've learned today and put it into action. You'll be amazed at what changes when you do, because when you support your body supports you right back. If you found this message helpful, please take a moment to like this video. It helps more men over 60 discover the tools they need to reclaim their health. Share it with a friend, a brother, or anyone who could benefit from it. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. What change are you committing to today? And if you want to support this channel and help us continue creating life-changing content for men like you, consider making a small donation. Every bit makes a difference. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another message made just for you.